Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Gigi and today I got in that Rosalind clear poly gel, so we're going to give it a try. I'm going to start just by patting out a nail, just using it plain the way it is, but then we're going to do some fun stuff. So definitely click that subscribe button, because when we hit 500, I've got a whole Rosalind kit that we are going to give away for the 500 subscriber giveaway. So be sure to click that button. Now, what I'm doing is just patting it out. Let me tell you guys, I like it. It's not sticky at all. I'm just using 70% alcohol. It looks pretty clear, but it looks like a natural clear, not so much a crystal clear. So if that's something that interests you, you would definitely want to check this out. It smooths out really nice. It pats out really nice. You can definitely see completely through it, so it is clear. Shapes really well and super easy. This is at double time, so we are literally only a minute into the video, so less than 2 minutes for me to pat out this nail into the lamp. And while that's in the lamp, we're going to use that pink and that real pretty pinky green shift flakies. There we go. There's the flakies, and here we come with that pink, just a tiny bit. It's actually, if you used a little less, it would probably be a little more jelly. I ended up using a little too much because those powders, a little goes a long way. And so you're going to see right away, this is too stiff because of those powders. So I am struggling here to really get it to mix together. So what I'm going to do is add a little more. I'm realizing, hey, this is really thick, and I feel like I just don't have enough for a full nail anyway, and that's what we're going for. So here we go. Just a little bit more of that clear, and that's going to loosen it up for me, and it's also going to give me enough to do the full nail without any struggle. Here we go. Look at how much quicker. Look at that. It just goes together like a dream. So that's, if you're doing your customs, make sure you're not using too much. You can add a little more if you need it. But you saw how quickly that came together. And what a pretty nude color this turned out to be, but with a shimmer, a shimmery nude. I love it. I think that's super pretty. If you added some other colors to it, it could be a different tone of nude or a deeper nude. So that is super fun. I like it. I think it's really, really pretty. In my Dageda powders, all of the flat colors are more bright. There's not a lot of the lighter colored tones like you have here with the shimmers. So I'm not sure. I want to keep my eyes open and see if I can find more pastel-y sort of colored pigments, because I really love working with the powdered pigments. I think they are so beautiful and so fun. And I'd like to have more variety in my life. More variety. There you go. Who doesn't want more variety in their life? So we're just, again, patting that out, making it super, super pretty. And look at that. I would wear that 100%. And I love making custom colors. As you know, nobody else is going to have exactly what you have. And so it's fun to be unique, right? We're always trying to be a little bit special, a little bit ourselves. So now this one, I really should have taken a lot less. I felt like I wanted to do a jelly, and it ended up not being a jelly because I added too much pigment. So again, little goes a long way with that, but you do want to do this mixing technique where you flatten it out, because that really grinds the pigments into whatever you're mixing. So it's just a really good technique. If you just stir, it's not going to happen. This has been, to me, the most effective way to do that. Now we've got this holographic yellow gold glitter. We're going to add that to our orange. I love yellow and orange together. They're perfect because, you know, orange is made from yellow and red. So it's super nice. I'm going to add a little more of the clear just to make it easier to mix together, especially with that glitter. And I was kind of hoping it would lighten or like jelly out, sheer out the color a little, but I really did add way too much pigment for a sheer without making a lot of poly gel, and I didn't want to make a ton. So here we go. We're just going to go ahead and do it like that. I'm going to continue my mixing. There we go. And it does mix really nice with the glitter. As you can see, it goes right in. And then we're going to pop it on our nail and do exactly the same thing. And I was worried that mixing things in with it would make it too stiff to work with. Honestly, as you can see, it may be even a little easier once you get something mixed into it. So I'm really digging the formula of this Rosalind. I think we have a contender for a new favorite here. Especially with the mixability. I love custom creating things for the channel. So I definitely am glad I got the larger size because we're going to be using this a ton. I've got a lot of ideas and things I want to try to do. So definitely don't forget, 500 subscriber giveaway coming up. I don't know why, I just kind of felt like Melissa McCarthy right there. Love her so much. What's your favorite Melissa McCarthy movie? Let me know down below. Maybe there's something you'd like to put on a nail that would be inspired by her. Oh, let me know. Let me know. I don't know where that came from. That's our top coat. Let's pop that in the lamp. These are the nails that we created today. I don't want to call it a set because they're not a set. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Will you be customizing some poly gels for yourself? Thank you so much for watching. We're going to see you on Saturday. Bye-bye.